Hi, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I am going to be doing dye discovery number 4, where I'm going to be dyeing this first skein from my Knitcrate in May, which is a Knit Picks fingering merino wool and nylon, 100 grams, 415 yards. So before we get into that though, please subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you to my new subscribers, and I would appreciate it if you give this a thumbs up, and if you share the video if you're so inclined. So I got this Hawaiian Punch Berry Blue Typhoon stuff. I got wicked excited when I saw it though, because it has red 40 and blue number 1. I'm hoping this breaks. So I'm just decided I'm going to use 2 packets. One packet is a little bit less than the same amount of a Kool-Aid packet as far as the ounces. So I'm going to try 2 and see how that goes. So I have my dye pot all ready, and I'm going to open these up and put them in, and then I'll be back and we'll see how this goes. See you in a few minutes. I'm back. Holy nuts, that's blue. I don't know if you can tell, but that is a really blue color. So we're going to see how this goes. Just turn the heat down a little bit. Okay. Oh, I'm getting foggy. Unfogify. Ready? Here we go. That's a pretty color blue. Really pretty color blue. I don't know if it's gonna break though. We'll see. It's making a really pretty colorway though. Put it in. There we go. So it's almost clear already. Look at my spoon. The water's almost clear already. So we'll see how that turns out. So it didn't break. Bummer. But boy, is that a really pretty blue color. I'm glad I used 2 envelopes though, because one wouldn't have been as nice and dark at the beginning. So I'm going to let this sit in there for a little bit, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Bye. Hi everyone. Less than 5 minutes later, and this dye bath is clear. Let's see how we turned out. Sorry about my messy stove. I've been dyeing today. Ooh. And I totally love that. Okay, I love this blue. I love it, love it, love it. That looks amazing. Maybe I should have dipped it a little bit faster, but I think it'll be okay. Right, I'm going to set this on a plate to cool off, and I'll see you in a little while. Bye. So our yarn is ready to be washed, and it has cooled down. So now it's in a pan with just cool water. We'll see if anything's coming out. Looks like nothing is coming out of the dye bath. I mean, none of the dye is coming out in the thing. So I'm just going to put a little bit of soap in here so that we can wash it out. Because we did use drink packets to make this, remember. Still nothing coming out, but boy do I love how this looks. That is definitely a win. I will make that again for sure. Let me turn this light on for a second. It's going to have a reflection in there, but wow. That's amazing. I love that. It's actually better without the light on. Alright, so I'm going to continue to wash this off, and then I'll be back when it's all dry to show you what it looks like. Alright, see you in a little while. Hello friends, I'm back. It's been a couple days. This is dry, and I've put it into a hank, and I am super happy with how this colorway turned out. So this was the Hawaiian berry flavored drink packets, which I used 2 of, that were single serving. But I really love the robin's egg blue color and turquoise and the light things. I think they turned out really good. I like this so much, I think I might try and do a gradient at some other point. But wow, am I happy with this. Get up close. This is the fingering weight again. Yeah, super happy. I mean, just, you know, yarn porn. This is the first time I've really worked with yarn that's been this thin. So, very, very happy with it. So, and I dip dyed this. So I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you want to see more of this dye discovery, subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you soon. Bye.